Sup, Team T, baby. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I'm doing good, but how y'all doing? Those of you who watched my last video, when I showed you a quick and easy little lunch or dinner recipe, the reason why I am still in the same outfit is because I am back at it with another video. So this video has been highly requested from some people on Instagram and YouTube. Now I have stuff all over my kitchen, so don't mind, because as you could tell from the title, I am showing you, honey, some things you need to build the muscle, to get thy cakes, to get a little bit thicker than a Snicker, okay? So, some of my favorite things I'm gonna show you now. I eat a lot, and I eat about 6 times a day, sometimes even more. It just depends. Like, when I train 2 a days, oh yes, my count is like 5, 6 meals for sure. Even when I don't train, I eat a lot, you guys. I don't miss no meal. Mama ain't raised no bitch, okay? So some of my favorite things that I love to eat. Now, building lean muscle, you have to eat carbs. Don't be scared of carbs, honey. Carbs are your best friend. Get in there, train some weights, do some weight training, and don't be scared of the weights, and don't be scared of carbs. Don't be scared to eat, okay? If you want to get a little bit thicker than a Snicker, you got to listen to your girl here, because she knows what she's doing. So, bananas. I would say, can you get off? I would say bananas. I eat a banana every single day. Every day. I freaking love you, banana. I get the organic because I just feel better about it. But bananas I put in my breakfast. If you've seen my what I eat in a day, then you know that I have my bananas and I mix it with the oats, my goats, because these things will get you thick, baby. I eat oats once for sure every day, and sometimes at nighttime I make these cookies and they have oats in them. So I'm eating oats twice a day. Can you say hey? Okay. So oats and banana, these are major key. Then we never forget about our peanut butter. Peanut butter is my all-time favorite. Delicious. I am obsessed with peanut butter. Honey, I just got this thing, it's almost gone. I eat peanut butter twice a day. What? Yes, I eat peanut butter 2 times a day. It's loaded with vegan protein and it is so good. If you don't like peanut butter, I'm sorry, but we just cannot be friends. So here's some great fats in peanut butter, some carbs over here, your potassium. Okay, now, vegan protein, as y'all know, I only use Woman's Best. This stuff is literally like crack. This one is cookies and cream, and I'll make cookies with this and some oats, and oh, don't get me started with that, honey, because it is so good. I go through these so much. I have this one, I have vanilla, sometimes I get chocolate, and I always share my links with you guys for these because I'm always constantly using Women's Best because they are the best. So men, do not get intimidated by their name. It's a really good, clean, plant-based protein, and it helps the gains. 2 of these a day. 1 as a shake and 1 as like cookies. Okay. Chocolate. Okay. So this has been my favorite one so far. I eat chocolate every day. Every single day. Y'all might not believe me, but if you don't follow my Instagram, I usually post on my story. If you're my friend in real life, you know, always have chocolate. Always, point blank. Chocolate helps with the gains. This one is dark and rich, no sugar added, but it tastes super sweet because they put stevia, and I love me some stevia. So this is good for you. It also has antioxidants, so it's good for the soul, but it's good for the gains. So I eat chocolate every day. You guys, don't be scared to have a little treat, because if you don't, you're gonna get burnt out. And then if you're on this diet, which it's not a diet, it's a lifestyle, then that's how you're gonna get extra burnt out. So make sure you're eating something that satisfies your soul. This satisfies her and I. Okay? Now, avocate. This will forever be my favorite fruit. If y'all think it's a veggie, it's not. It's a fruit. It has a seed. Look it up. So I'm obsessed with avocados, and it has done wonders to my body, my skin, my hair, my nails, my everything. I love me an avocado. I am obsessed with an avocado, and I eat one every single day. Lunch or dinner, I have to always have avocados stocked up in the fridge. Okay. And then we have arroz, which means rice. So this is my favorite one, this premium sushi grade rice, because it comes out super sticky, and I love my rice sticky. I cannot stand some dry rice, honey. I will not eat dry, crusty rice. I'm not eating no hard rice. I'm eating sticky, thick rice. Okay, we're all trying to get thick over here. So I eat rice every day too. This has helped tremendously. Incorporate rice. Don't be scared of carbs. I have to say it to you over and over, because I get these females that eat like salads and nothing else, and they're like, why am I not gaining muscle? And I'm like, here, just take it all. So rice, eat rice. Don't be scared of carbs. Just make sure you're working out. Obviously, you can't just expect to eat all this stuff and not do anything to build the muscle. Okay, honey, like these legs, this took a lot of work. All right, beans, the magical beans. The more you eat, the more you chew. It's better for you. Okay, so garbanzo beans, as you can tell, are my favorites. You can have it in the form of bean, or you can have that shit smashed up into the form of hummus. Either way, beans help the gains, and I love any bean. I don't discriminate. I like black, pinto, I like garbanzo, I like cannellini beans, I like red beans, kidney beans, honey, you name the bean and I will eat it. I love beans. I love chili. Ooh, make a nice chili with tempeh and beans. Thick, really thick. Yeah, so beans, garbanzo beans, hummus. Hummus is so good with veggies. I'm showing you, all this stuff that's like carbs and stuff. Now, as you could tell from the title, it's what I eat to like gain muscle and stuff, but I eat veggies with every single meal. I eat, well, besides breakfast, that's sweet. It's like, that's not savory, but lunch, dinner, if it's a snack like celery or whatever, I eat my veggies every day, which is so important. I eat my fruits. Fruits, blueberries, bananas, pineapple, papaya. I love strawberries, fruits. Eat them. I'm just showing you the things that have helped me gain more thickness, more muscle, okay? So don't get it twisted. This is not all I eat. Oh, look. Another form of chickpeas. You have got to be kidding me. So we have the hard ones too. These are amazing on salads. Super high in protein. If you've not tried these as a snacky poo, you should try them. They have them at Whole Foods. Shout out to Saffron Road. Y'all want to sponsor this? You're just saying. I eat these all the time. So I love garbanzo beans. Potato, tomato. Sweet potatoes, you guys. Eat your potatoes. They're so good for you, your skin, your stomach, your hair, your nails, your everything. This happens to be a sweet yam. I love the okimama. If you've seen, I don't know how to say it, so I just call it okimama potato. The purple one. I love red potatoes. I love all potatoes. I'll make them smashed. I'll make them fries. I'll make them stuffed. I don't discriminate, as you can tell. I love all of my food. Okay, so eat your potatoes. Chia seeds. I put these omega-3 booty blasters in my pancakes every day. They are really good fats, but they also really do help with protein and helping you go to the restroom. If you are clogged up, eat your chia seeds. And that looks like that's all I'm thinking about right now, besides like my tofu, my tempeh. that are really good and hearty that I add on to stuff. These are the main things carb-wise, protein-wise that are, oh, and dates too, like the little medjool dates. I have some up there, but I'm just honestly too lazy to grab them. So dates and peanut butter is a good snack. All this stuff is really good to get a little bit thicker than a Snicker, and you can even make a Snicker out of these ingredients. So if you guys like this video and you want more tips and tricks on how to gain muscle or size or whatnot, just let me know, comment below, and I will see you all soon. I love you, Team T, baby.